N79. I'm going to put the battery in. Just 1 second. And the SIM card also. AT&T. Battery. Alright, I'll put the brown one in. Let's see what happens now. Loading. So your voice messages. And this is the problem. Oh look, it worked. Oh, and it stopped. That's amazing. I'm pressing all these buttons. 1, Opera Mini, Gmail. Okay, now I have 3 voicemails. Doesn't matter how many I get. I cannot do anything. The only thing that works is not even the unlock. The only thing that works is, again, the power button. The switch, I can't even. Nope, I mean, just. And since I did that by mistake, I have to turn it off by the manual way.